Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can delete your chat history on DuckAI using the DuckDuckGo web browser. So let us dive into this. So let's launch DuckDuckGo web browser. I'm going to open it on my Windows computer or desktop computer. And after that, here at the DuckDuckGo web browser, there are two different approaches to this, guys. So one option would be to navigate to DuckAI. To do that via DuckDuckGo, click into these three ends in the top right corner, select New DuckAI Chat here. And here on DuckAI, go through your chats on the left-hand side and delete the chats and conversations manually you would like to remove. However, guys, if you don't want to access DuckAI that way, but simply want to stay here on DuckDuckGo on the home screen and delete your chat history from here, you can do that via your browsing history on DuckDuckGo. So click into these three lines again, hover mouse over history, select delete all history. And from that menu, make sure that also delete DuckAI chats is selected, or the checkbox here. This will, as you can see, delete all conversations you have had in DuckAI, including the entire chat history. Confirm by clicking into delete here. And that is going to remove your chat history here on DuckAI as well. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.